Kay Attorney Tolosa, can you just say why is it relevant that the Vice President signed the disbursement vouchers and all that? Yung mga documents that her signature appears in, why is it important? And what does it say?
Sige, to be exact, let me read it. No, this is what the certification states. No? In the, for example, in the disbursement vouchers, no, which were submitted by the OVP. So it says here, they certified that the expense or cash advance was necessary, lawful, and incurred under the direct supervision of the signatory, and the signatory is the Vice President Duterte herself. Another one, a certification and accomplishment report, no, which were attached to the liquidation report submitted by the OVP. It says here that we certify that the certifying officer is accountable for the disbursement from the cash advance of the confidential funds. It also states here the expenses were incurred in connection with the agency's intelligence and or confidential operations and activities with supporting documents attached to the liquidation of the confidential funds. So what's the significance of that? It's clear that the Vice President had a direct hand on this. She signed it off, no? Not just the use, but the way that it was liquidated. So ngayon, sa pamamagitan ng mga susunod na testigo natin, makikita natin naging tama ba talaga ang paggamit nitong confidential funds na to? Naging tama ba din ang pag-liquidate nito? No? These are confidential, these are public funds. So napaka-importante na mapakita na mapaliwanag sa gobyerno, sa COA, nitong dalawang ehensya na to na nagamit talaga nila sa tamang purposes na allowed under the law, no? At napatunayan nila to by complying with the liquidation process. So kapag hindi nakakomply, maliwanag. No, may pananagutan ng Vice Presidente, no, dahil na to mismo na dito sa certifications that she herself signed.